Hi, this is Greg Johnson with another technology training and support video. This time we're looking at the Xerox 8550 series of printer. It's a solid ink printer. You may be familiar with this design. This instructional video provides some helpful tips and information that will apply to the 8550 as well as the 8560 printer. Usually these printers perform very well. It's a solid ink technology, so it's not like toner or runny ink. I can just show you here again. These are solid ink cartridges that get placed in the printer. It's a solid piece of crayon-like material that gets melted down and then sprayed on the page. There is periodic cleaning that's needed, and you'll find a cleaning tray on the right-hand side of the printer. This tray just, this door folds out, and then the tray pulls out here. And occasionally you'll get some buildup of deposits in these trays here, but it's not very frequent. There's also this kit here on the side that you can pull out, and that's what's referred to as a maintenance cleaning kit that cleans the inside of the printer after it needs servicing. So anyway, in this video what I want to show you is how to resolve printing problems where you may see some faint lines in your color images or elsewhere on a text page or a photo that you've printed out. And so the way you go about doing this is you'll want to go up to the main menu here, and I'm going to show you this and how I navigate it. These keys here will allow me to navigate through the main menu, and you can see here in the readout we have walk-up features. I'm going to zoom in on this a little bit. Walk-up features, basic information, and I'm going to scroll down to troubleshooting. So I'm using this down arrow, and I apologize for a little bit of a glare there, but I'm going to scroll down with the arrow and choose troubleshooting, and from the troubleshooting menu I'm going to go to where it says print quality problems. You can see that there, print quality problems, and I'm going to press on OK, and then I'm going to scroll down to eliminate light stripes, and I'm going to click OK. And there's a light stripes test. Notice how that's the top option there, light stripes test. There's also a basic cleaning, and then at the bottom there's jet substitute mode. So what I want to show you to save some time is this is a light stripes test page. This is the page that the printer kicks out when you perform the light stripes test. And what you'll find is there should be all of these numbered stripes of black or various colors of ink, and every single line should be solid, but you notice here there's some that are not solid. Okay, so that was the first test. That was the first light stripes test page that I ran through on this printer, and I identified that it looks like 120 and here 228, and as well in this pinkish color 18. So these are the jets, the print head jets that are not printing properly. And so that's what this test shows. Now those could be clogged up, there could be something obstructing it, whatever. So that's why you go through the basic cleaning that's available in that menu that I showed you earlier. Troubleshooting, and then we went to print quality problems, and then we went to eliminate stripes. And there's basic. I'm going to show you that again. Here's the basic cleaning. So the basic cleaning will clean the printer. It takes a few minutes to do, and then it will print out another light stripes test page. And so here's the second one that came out. And what you'll notice is the areas where there were problems before, those are gone, but we have then identified print jet number 307 in the yellow here is failing. Okay, so I thought maybe that needs some cleaning, and here also print jet number 18 has totally failed. It looks like 114 is a little bit light, but nothing to be concerned about. So mainly it's 18 and 307 where we see a problem. But I don't want to disable any of these print jets until I know for sure, so I did a third page here, and I labeled the pages so I didn't get them confused. And again, printhead 307, printhead 18 clearly having problems, and that's going to prohibit proper functioning of the printer. So what we're going to do is, once we identify that some of the print jets are just failed basically, we need to go in and disable those, and that's available here through the main menu. So I'm going to go back to the main menu, and I'm going to go down to troubleshooting. You can see it highlighted there. I'll click on the OK button, and then we'll go down to print quality problems, and I'm going to click the OK button, and then I'm going to go to eliminate light stripes, press OK. And now I'm going to go back to jet substitution mode, and I'll press OK. And we'll start with the yellow. You remember that one was number 307. So I'm going to put in 307. Now I can scroll up or scroll down to indicate the number. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. That takes me right to 309, 308, 307. I'll click OK and save changes and exit, or we can scroll down and save changes and select another jet. Well, that's what I want to do. So I'm going to highlight that, click OK, and this time I'm going to go to the magenta, and we'll go to magenta, and which is sort of the pinkish color, right? Magenta, and then OK, and in that case it was jet 18, so I can scroll up from 1. So I'm going up, and there's 18, and I'll press OK. And now I'll save changes and exit, and now that's basically it. And I can go in and go back to print a document and test this out. But basically what's going to happen then is the other jets that are very close to 18 and 307 on the sample page you can see here, those will do the printing that was necessary for the jets that stopped working, the other jets that are close to it. And so now the printing clarity and accuracy has been restored just by using this jet substitution method. So anyway, I hope this support video has helped. If you have any questions, feel free to email or send a video response, and I'd be happy to respond. Thanks.